I'm a master machinist, raised in a machine shop. Look at me go. Buddy, 'cause here he comes. It's gonna look about like that. More precision design work. A lot of guys have a vice for welding, other equipment. Not me. I got my Harbor Freight welding helmet, and I could only find one glove. And my welder ain't great. But Gary Dyer taught me to weld, so I lay down a perfect bead. Everything square and true. Come on, baby. I did a little shaping on the business end of the handle. Drill, tap, counterbore, chamfer, bibbity, bang, boom. I could have done this different ways, but the counterbore lets me clamp the whole thing together and know it's perfect. You ever turn a crank and the handle wobbles as you're turning it and you think some dumbass welded this? I chamfered this backwards so I wouldn't have to move the tool. I don't move this tool ever. I haven't changed this insert since the 90s. Gonna hold the key. Back at the welder, I button this up. This washer stack with the O-ring is a little taller than the counterbore, and it pushes back for just the right feel on this knob. I used some blackener on this steel. I didn't film it because I didn't think it would come out this good. This was my first time. I wore disposable gloves and wiped it on with a paper towel. It's easy as pie. This is my third handle for this machine. If everything goes to plan, this is the last one. So that's it. The only thing left to do is fit check. And there it is. The best thing is that the tube is a righteous fit on the mill. It's an interference fit. Making it too big would have been extra work, and that's not happening here. I'll get a couple projects on it and see what's up. And if you don't mind me asking, What kind of handle you running on your Burke Mill? Let's team up on this little bastard. Work together. We can crowdsource a solution. Thanks for watching.